If you want to unlink Mailchimp from Monday CRM, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full disconnect process step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old integrations, troubleshooting a connection issue, or just no longer want the apps linked, this is the safest way to remove access the right way. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign in to the account that's connected to Monday CRM. Once you're inside your Mailchimp dashboard, look for the integrations area. This is where Mailchimp keeps track of connected apps and external services. Next, click on Integrations. After that, you should see a section for connected sites or connected accounts. From there, click on Manage. This takes you to the page where Mailchimp lists the active connections tied to your account. Now scroll through your connections until you find Monday CRM. Depending on your layout, you may see a small drop-down arrow or menu near the View Dashboard option. Click that drop-down so you can reveal the connection controls for Monday CRM. Once the menu appears, click Disconnect. Mailchimp may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the connection. This confirmation step is important because it ensures you don't disconnect the wrong app by accident. Click Disconnect again to finalize the action. After that, Mailchimp will remove the link between your account and the Monday CRM. At this point, the integration should no longer be active and the two platforms should stop syncing data through that connection. If you were disconnecting because of a syncing issue, it's a good idea to wait a moment and then refresh your browser to make sure the integration has fully been removed. You can also check your connected apps list again to confirm that Monday CRM no longer appears there. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked Mailchimp from Monday CRM. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.